So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily remove or block someone on Life360 Circle application. So first thing first, simply head over to your Life360 application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, what you can do is basically you can see at the top there is a option for selecting your circle. Just make sure you have selected the right circle, and what I want you to do is simply head over to top left corner, there is settings gear option. So simply click on it, and from over here you have to click on circle management option, and inside here you should see the option for to delete the circle member. As you can see, I don't have any circle member, so there is no option for in my case. So in your case there should be option called delete circle member. So simply click on it from there, and you just need to select any member which you would like to delete, and just click on delete button from there, and you will have successfully deleted someone from your Life360 application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. How to remove someone on Life360 Circle.